Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe an interesting discussion you had about how you spend your money. You should say who you had the discussion with, why you discussed this topic, what the result of the discussion was, and explain why this discussion was interesting for you.
One interesting discussion I had about how to spend money was with my friend. We were having lunch together and the topic of saving money came up, which led to a deeper discussion about our personal spending habits and financial goals. I discussed my financial goals of saving money for a trip to Europe next summer, while my friend talked about her goal of buying a new car. We compared our approaches to saving money and our priorities when it comes to spending. My friend emphasized the importance of investing in quality items that last longer, while I was more focused on minimizing my spending and finding cheaper alternatives. We discussed the merits of each approach and what works best for us personally. By the end of our discussion, we had both gained new insights into how we can improve our spending habits and work towards our financial goals. For me, it was interesting to hear another perspective on the topic of spending and saving, and I found it helpful to exchange ideas with someone who has a different approach. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.